The All Clear Odor Eliminator formulation works great on furnace filters. When you are changing your furnace filter out at home, you pull out the old dirty filter like this. You lightly spray the formula down. Once the filter is completely moist and wet, we take this filter, as you can see, the paper is glistening. We use approximately 40 to 60 triggers per side on the filter. Once this is done, we reinstall it back into the furnace and let it run till it dries. We let it run in the furnace with the fan on for 3 hours. After the 2 or 3 hour period, we grab the old filter, we throw it away, you grab your new filter, and you put the new filter into your system. You've just purified the air in your home.